everyone, I'm Leanne from Twinkl, and today's art lesson is inspired by the very, very famous artist known as Vincent Van Gogh. Now, fun fact, lots of people get very confused over how to pronounce his name. Some people say Van Gogh, some people say Van Gogh, but actually the artist is Dutch, and in Dutch we have to pronounce it like this, Van Gogh. Now let's have a look at one of his very, very famous paintings called Starry Night, which was painted in 1889. That's many, many, many years ago. So we are going to do our own version. So let's have a look at what we are going to need. First of all, we need some tin foil. Now this is going to act as our paper or for the basis of our painting. Now you can even stick it to some cardboard to make it a bit stronger. But for me to show you, I'm going to stick it on my board. Now, what else you will need are some cotton buds, everyday cotton buds like this. And these are going to act as your paint brushes. You will also need some paints, any type of paints, I don't mind, but the colours we need are quite important. We do need a dark blue and a light blue and also a yellow. Okay, have you got your cotton buds ready? Off we go. So I am going to choose a blue first, and then all you need to do is just swirl it around like this. So it's a bit of a spiral shape, can you see? And then I can use different types of blue next to it, like so. And you can even overlap the shapes and the patterns you're making like this. Because sometimes the artist's paintings were a little bit messy, a little bit crazy, but they looked great. And also, because we're using cotton buds, you can then change it for a new one if you want to change colour. Now I've got yellow, so I can mix yellow inside my spiral to give it an even better effect. So it looks like Starry Night. And there we go. How do yours look? Let me have a look. Wow, they are looking fantastic. Well done, my mini artists. I'll see you next time for some more fun lessons. Take care. Bye-bye.